Do you ever end the day tired, then realize the most important thing never moved? It's usually not a discipline problem. It's an attention problem hiding in plain sight. You keep switching, just for a second, then another second, then another. And every switch leaves a little mental smudge that you carry on into the next task. So you start everything slightly distracted, even when you think you're focused. That's why doing more can feel productive, but create less actual progress. The goal today is simple. Have fewer targets, cleaner focus and real finishes. Not a new personality, not a hustle routine, just a better setup. First, pick one win for today, the one you'll be relieved to finish. If you can't name it, your brain will default to whatever screams the loudest. Now make that win smaller than your ego wants, small enough to complete, whether that's writing one page, one email or one chore. Next, you need to decide what you're not doing today, like you're setting boundaries for a friend. Not forever, not dramatic, just not today, because today you have a job to do. This is how you stop getting kidnapped by little tasks wearing important costumes in your mind. Then, group your work by categories, so your brain stays in one gear longer. One category to solve that requires your best attention. Then another category later for replies, scheduling, tidying up, and the tiny stuff. When you mix those two modes, you keep pulling your brain out of the flow. So even if you only have 20 minutes, keep it one mode, one lane. Here's a small trick that helps immediately. Finish a slice before you switch. Not the whole project, just a clean slice that your brain can close. Closed loops feel lighter, because your mind stops tracking them in the background. Open loops, however, can feel heavy, like carrying a bag that you never put down. You might feel slower at first, because calm focus looks boring from the inside. But boring is fine if it ends with something actually completed. So, change your scoreboard from busy to finished, even if finished is small, and then take a natural pace, the kind you could repeat tomorrow without hating life. Going fast for one day is easy, but slow and sustainable for a month is what ends up winning. And quality is the multiplier, because one solid result beats 5 half results. So, protect your best hour like it's a meeting, and treat it like it matters. Thank you for watching today's video, and subscribe to the channel for more psychology content. If you want to unlock your mind's full potential, download the PsychMax app today.